Hello, my name is Apollo, and I'm a short content creator that usually does Roblox, Steal a Brain Rot, or another Roblox game. I will be live streaming once I get 50 subs. I would really like it if you considered subscribing because I am growing very slowly, but not fast. I will be making everybody that subscribes to this channel a dev of my new game, Swim at the Water Park for Brain Rats. If you would consider subscribing and let me do lives, it would mean a lot. So it would mean a lot just for you to subscribe. And one day I could be a big YouTuber, so there's no point not to subscribe. OG tickets are until I get 300 subs, which I feel like I will get soon, so you should subscribe. Goodbye. No pressure, of course.